Houston, we have a clogger. Said the drain's clogged up. Oh, that's pretty bad. For some reason, these people turn their water heater off. They turn the water off. See how low that is? It's because they turn the valve on the water heater off. I think they think that if you turn that off, you save money. When actually it's the breaker. You gotta turn the breaker off. That's what saves money, not the actual water heater valve. As you can see, you know, the cold's on, but the hot water's not. Yeah, every time we come in here we notice that. This isn't the first time I've noticed that. The hot water valve turned off. I've been in here a bunch of times and we'll come in for some plumbing issues sometimes. And the hot water will be trickling. That's when we noticed. So I think they turned the valve off thinking that they're saving money when you actually got to turn the breaker off. Because the heating elements are still kicking on and off with the valve off. Man, this thing is packed. What is that? It's like a watch band thing. And in case you're wondering what it smells like right now, it smells like a fart farted. I don't even know what that is. Paper clip. Hairpin. Not much hair and stuff. It's just on the surface. Alright, the drain is clear. I mean, I'm assuming that's why they turn the hot water off at the valve. I don't know for sure. That's my hypothesis, though. They turn it off every morning when they leave for work, thinking that they're saving money. They heard somewhere, if you turn your water heater off, you save money. All right, they're good to go. On to the next one. See, their dishwasher's not draining. It's got a little dirty water on the bottom. Stinks. Oh, looks like the garbage disposal's a little clogged up. Filling up almost to the top there. So I guess the nasty dirty water feeds back down through the hose. It's got a loop on it. It goes up and down. It's got a lot of debris. It's not draining right. Alright, we've got all that junk out of there. Should be good to go now. I'm going to let this fill up and run. I'll go check their sink. They said their bathroom sink's clogged. My partner Haya is doing the light switch. Whenever they turn it on, it would flicker. It's an old piece of boo-boo Hubel. You see them yellow Hubels? We don't like the Hubels around here. As soon as you see a yellow switch, we replace it. While he's doing that, I'll unclog the sink. See, they've already tried. Pull the old stopper out. Yo! Smells like a fart farted in here too. It's like all jelly. It's not really hair, it's like jellified nast. My partner Hyatt back here, he likes to use the zippets. I don't like to use the zippets. Just slap back water in my face. And sometimes you got an old razor cap in there. Old zipper can't get the razor cap out. Of course, that's just my opinion, Jordan. Alright, we got the jellified nast out of there. I'll wash this off in the tub. It took me a few years, but I finally learned my lesson where I'd wash it off in the sink here. And then water would come out the hole. Fit that little rod through the hole. Look at that nasty filth. I'm starting to get people on my channel asking me why I wear gloves now. I'm starting to feel like the old lavinator, the old Steve Laver. I wear gloves because people are nasty, man. I've been working in people's apartments before. And I'd be in there like 10 minutes and then some guy rolls out his bedroom. Well, hey, man, I did hear you docking. I didn't hear you docking bad. He's got fog rolling out of his bedroom where he's got all his misters and his dehumidifiers on. I've got this Ebola flu, man, and I've been in his apartment for 10 minutes touching everything. That's why I wear gloves. Man, looks like we're still clogged, Skid. Wasn't no surface gunk. I'm gonna have to pull the P-trap. This one's deep. It's the old plunger that's by the sink. Maybe I just needed to get some of that surface gunk off of there. This has been going on a while, man. Look at that. Alright, he's good to go now. Well, Jordan said his zip it would have gotten it. That would have been better. Yeah, the zip it probably would have won on this one. This is all in the same apartment. Dishwasher, clogged sink, light switch. My partner Jordan took care of the light switch. Well, it's draining fine. See, the disposal is clogged up. Backing up into the hose and going up to the dishwasher. It's good now. It's not rising like it was when I had all that stuff in there. They're good. Just a little stain right there. It's not water. Yeah, they're fine. Alright, thank you all for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.